Today, we are going to cook delicious Philly steak sandwiches.
For this recipe, you'd need 1 pound beef steak thin slices, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 5 slices of provolone cheese, 1 large white onion cut in strips, 1 big bell pepper cut in strips, 2 teaspoons ground black pepper. Five steak rolls, and salt as per taste. Saute onions and bell pepper strips in 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a fry pan on medium heat. Put a grill pan on medium heat. Grease it nicely with butter. Spread the meat on the grill pan. Add more peppers if you like your Philly sandwich to be spicy. Add sautéed onions and bell peppers in the meat, and cook them together for 5 minutes. Mix 1 large size crushed garlic clove in 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Glaze the steak rolls with garlic butter and toast them for 2 to 3 minutes. Put slices of provolone cheese on the meat until it is nicely melted on it. Now fill your steak rolls with Philly cheese steak and enjoy.